Welcome to Create Your Own Desk Organizer. It's that time of year where you want to make sure you set up your own workspace, whether you're working from home or at school or you need to do some homework. I decided some cardboard from an Amazon box and a paper plate to trace to get the round base. Once traced, cut out that piece of cardboard. This might be a little tricky, so you might need a grown-up to help you to cut it out. Once it's cut out, using some different print, I used in this case scrap paper for scrapbooks, and trace around your base. You'll want to do two different papers, one for the top of it and one for the bottom. Put some glue down. Make sure you get around the edges and such. And then place your paper on the disc. Kind of decorates it, makes it a little fancy. Do the same for the underside. And place your pre-cut scrap print paper on top and press it down firmly. Now looking at your base plate, whatever side you would like to have up, using some washi tape, go around the edge carefully. Round objects are a little bit tricky to press down the tape. So this might take a little time and some patience as you work your way around. And now on to the paper tube portion. Two long paper towel tubes I went ahead and cut in half. You'll use 3 of them for the back part of the base. Put the other 4th piece off to the side for now. Meanwhile, 3 toilet paper roll size tubes will be the middle portion. Remember that 4th piece of the longer tube that you put to the side? Go ahead and snip that a little shorter version. It might be great for some smaller pieces that you might want to organize. Now on to covering these tubes using the printed scrapbook paper, or you could even use construction paper, or even gift wrap for that matter. Measure the amount. Now, just a little tip while you're waiting for it to dry, a clothespin will be pretty handy for that. Go ahead and take that same type of washi tape, or maybe you want a different design, and line the edges on both ends of the tubes. Continue this process with the remaining tubes, 3 tall, 3 medium, and the short little one. Be sure once you've wrapped it around the tube that you also continue and put a little glue on the edge before you put the last flap down. As I wait for my paper tubes to dry, I noticed that my base, the washi tape, was kind of falling a little bit. So take little pieces, again it's a round object, and then just neaten it up. I also took some clear tape and helped do a little bit fine tuning with the edge. And now I decided to take some time and kind of plan out where I want my tubes. And with my hot glue gun, I went ahead and started to glue the bottom of the paper tube and the edge. As you lay them crossed together in a cluster, you can put your edges together. And I also put a little bit of the hot glue along that edge so that the towers of tubes can kind of be supported together. When working with hot glue, you might notice there's kind of like these like spider webby kind of glue pieces. Go ahead and pull those off. Not a big deal. And now it's time to figure out what you would like to organize. Will it be scissors, pencils, maybe some colored pencils, or perhaps some markers or crayons, or even paper clips? You decide. It's your desk organizer. There you have it, friends. Your create your own desk organizer made with cardboard, scrapbook paper, or any kind of printed paper, some hot glue, regular glue, and washi tape. Oh, and don't forget those paper tubes. I know we have lots of those lately. Have a great year and be wonderful.